Today, we're in the charming seaside village of Hemsby, where nothing says beach day like a refreshing scoop of ice cream. Look at this line, everyone's treating themselves to a classic seaside delight. And just a few steps away from the bustling village, you're greeted by a truly stunning view that feels like a hidden gem. The coastline of Hemsby is simply breathtaking. Stretching out before you are golden sands that seem to go on forever, gently kissed by the rolling waves of the shimmering blue sea. On a day like this, with the sun shining down, the water sparkles as if it's dancing in the light. It's not just the view that's remarkable, there's something so peaceful, so calming about standing here, hearing the soft sounds of the waves crashing against the shore, and feeling the cool sea breeze. It's the perfect place to escape, unwind, and simply take in the beauty around you. The natural wonders of Hemsby really stand out here. Whether you're looking to relax on the sand, dip your toes in the water, or just soak in the serene atmosphere, this little piece of coastline has it all. It's a reminder of how special this village truly is and why it's such a beloved spot for visitors and locals alike. Now, let's take a leisurely stroll through Hemsby, where we're about to embark on a delightful stroll through its vibrant arcades and charming shops. Take in the sights, sounds, and experiences that make this village truly unique. The bustling arcades that are a hallmark of Hemsby. These arcades are more than just places to play games, they're a vibrant hub of activity and fun. As we walk, you'll notice the bright, flashing lights of the arcade machines, the cheerful sounds of games in action, and the laughter of visitors enjoying their time here. It's a nostalgic trip back to classic arcade games, with something for everyone, from traditional pinball machines to the latest in digital entertainment. It's the perfect spot for families, friends, and anyone looking to add a bit of excitement to their day. Continuing our walk, the array of colorful local shops that line the street. Each shop is a treasure trove of unique finds, reflecting the village's character and charm. From quaint boutiques offering handmade crafts to specialty stores featuring local products, there's something special in every window. As we pass by, you might see displays of beautiful artisan goods, charming souvenirs, and stylish clothing that showcase the creativity of Hemsby's local artisans. As we continue, take in the lively atmosphere created by the people around us. You'll see visitors and locals alike, enjoying the day, exploring the shops, and soaking up the village's friendly vibe. The streets are alive with conversation, laughter, and the gentle hum of activity, creating a sense of community and connection. Look around and you'll also spot some charming cafes and eateries that add to the village's appeal. These spots are perfect for a leisurely break, offering everything from freshly brewed coffee and homemade pastries to hearty lunches and delicious local specialties. It's a great way to rest your feet, enjoy a treat, and soak in the lively ambience of Hemsby. As we reach the end of our stroll, take a moment to appreciate the unique charm of Hemsby's arcades and shops. This vibrant area is more than just a shopping destination, it's a lively community space where the true spirit of the village shines. The arcades here are a nostalgic delight, filled with the sounds of classic games and the buzz of excitement. Whether you're trying your hand at a vintage pinball machine or enjoying the latest in arcade entertainment, it's a place where fun and memories are made. As we continue to explore, you'll see that the local shops add to the village's appeal. Each store is a little treasure trove, offering everything from handmade crafts to unique gifts and local specialties. The colorful shopfronts and friendly shopkeepers create an inviting atmosphere, making every visit a special experience. Hemsby's charm lies in this mix of old-fashioned fun, local flavor, and the warmth of its community. The friendly faces you encounter, the lively arcades, and the diverse range of shops all come together to create a memorable experience. So, whether you're drawn to the excitement of the arcades, the joy of discovering unique finds, or simply the pleasure of exploring a charming village, Hemsby offers a rich tapestry of experiences that make it a truly unforgettable place. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Hemsby. I hope you enjoyed seeing the vibrant arcades, charming shops, and beautiful scenery as much as I did. Your time and attention mean a lot, and I'm grateful for your support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting adventures. Until next time, take care and see you soon.